Today I'm doing a video on my vacuum and steam mop and all its attachments. I'll go through everything in details. So yeah, I got my Dyson right there, so I'll move that out of the way. But I'll be doing video on this one and this one. This one is the main one I'm going to mainly do a video on. Here's all its stuff it comes with. This is the steam mop. To let you know, I don't have the cord wrap because this part didn't come with it when I bought it. So I called them and they said they won't do it because there's no warranty on steam mop. Once I noticed that it wasn't even good, so I could not get those fixed. This part right here fixed. So yeah. Here's the Shark. It's a Shark Apex powered liftaway. Dual clean, zero maintenance with zero maintenance. Sorry about that, guys. There's a way to access this, which I'll show you right now. I tilt it back onto the wall, so yeah. All you have to do is lift that up and lift this up to access this. This part you don't really need to clean out as much. Right here you do. Because there's a lot of stuff that gets stuck in there. I'll show you. See? I do clean it out every day, so that's why it doesn't look much. I clean out my vacuums more than normal people would, but I do like to keep my vacuums lasting long. There's the stuff that I make, but you can also use this. I'll go through it later down the road in one of these videos, how to clean out your vacuums and how to make it look like brand new, which I'll do that in one of these videos. To let you know, making your vacuum look brand new is a lot of work and a lot of maintenance, so yeah. Here's the pads for the steam mop. There's actually 5, but I actually have mine came with 10 pads, which half of them are dirty in the dirty laundry, which I do use my steam mop a lot. Now there's another one. I forgot to mention there's one on there already. I didn't realize. I always keep one on it, so I'm not always having to hurry and get a pad on it or worrying about it. So I just put it on and leave it on. These two are new, look brand new, is because I don't use these two. I'm keeping these looking new for a reason. So if something happened to these, I'll have these to use. See how much it came with? It came with a caddy. Mine did. If you want to pay for more, a little bit extra money, you get a caddy. It's really small though. It looks pretty big, but it really ain't. See? Guys will get adjust to it, but See that box right there? That's what it came in, and it's really small. Here's the dusting brush and Absolutely tool. Some reason no other people got this right here. I don't get why I'm the only one that got it, but I use it. It came with it, but it didn't say anything about this. It might have been a mistake, so I kept it. I use it a lot. Mine came with two different things that there's mistake with. Well, there's basically 5. I don't get it, but yeah. This is one of the mistakes they made, and it came with a pad. Here's the other mistake they made. This one right here. It looks like it. I do use this one more than this one right here. This one it came with. This one I did not have. I had something a lot similar, same exact thing like this, but I lost in the house fire. But sorry guys. I basically got a new one. So it came with 2. This one probably was another mistake it came with. I didn't show it to you in that one video because I didn't need to show you this because I didn't want you being jealous that I got this or something. 2 of them. I do use both. This one's, to let you know, this one's a lot thicker than this one, if you can tell. Hang on, I think. Yeah, that one's thicker than that one. See? The size. So, I use this one under my fridge because this one won't fit under my fridge. It came with a here's the third mistake they made. There's actually 3 mistakes they made, but it's kind of funny. It came with a motorized tool. This is the motorized tool, see? And this is the air-driven tool. I do use this one. It didn't show this one though, but it showed something like this and this. I don't know, like on the other one it showed this one. And the other one it showed this one right here. See? Which is kind of goofy, but I guess I'm the luckiest one. Now I'm glad I bought it. Here's the dusting tool. I'm gonna put my knee on this really quick. This is meant to turn, see? So you can dust like this, or can dust like this. If you're getting your ceiling fans, I'll show you. Like this, you can use it like this to get the bottom of your ceiling fan or something, or in crevices like that, and you can use it like that too. So yeah. Here's the Flexi Crevice tool. Let me see if I could. I had to do that because I'm using one hand, so I could have used my knee, but oh well. It's a Flexi Crevice tool. I'll show you. I'm not going to break it. See? I can actually touch it like that. See? That's how flexible it is. See? It's good because I can also use this to get under my fridge a little bit, or my washer and dryer, or get into the dryer's let thing, and I can flex it and it'll get it. So I like this tool. This is my favorite tool out of all of them. Here's it. I forgot to mention, they made another mistake. There's actually 4 mistakes I didn't realize. It came with this one and this one right here. But this one didn't came with this part right here. It does not fit on this one. See? It does, but watch. There's nothing to hold it like it does with this. It doesn't have this part and this part right here. See? So this is for mainly going like that to beds or something, and this is for right here doing the same thing, and this right here. So I kept it all in this bag. It did came with this bag. It's an extra large bag, and all my tools actually fit in it. And it gets pretty full, which I'll show you in a minute. Here's the angel brush. See? I can use it on this, say like, I could show you. It might be a little weird, but hey, the light's golden now. See, I can go like this and dust, and for an example, I don't use it for this, but I can dust like this. See? So I hate about this angel brush, it's when you're putting pressure on it, it does that. And it's kind of hard not to put pressure on it. For me it is. Here's another thing it came with. It came with a crevice tool. Getting into crevices. So yeah. So and to let you know, this box right here didn't came with it anything. This is what I suggest. So like if you're using the steam mop and need something to set it on so it's not gonna damage your floor, I use this to put my steam mop on, like I have for the Bissell Crosswave. If you know what that is, I'll take it downstairs and show you, like now. This right here is a Bissell Crosswave, so it's a little blurry, but this is the Bissell Crosswave. And this is this. Here's the stand it came with, so when you set it on it, it won't hurt it. There's my dog. He just shook no. So I'm just picking. Just kidding. This is what I like to use for it. So yeah. This is what it came with. This. So yeah. Wait. My dog's is in here now. So yeah. He wanted to come in. He was. He followed me up, so he wanted to come in. So yeah. So that's why I kind of use this thing right here for that purpose, so it's not going to ruin the floors or the hard floors or whatever you have. So yeah. So maybe you should, guys, if you have a steam mop, anybody, that's what you should do. To let you know, I'm not trying to tell you what to do. I'm just saying, giving you a suggestion. Alright, when you use this, you're going to tilt this back. This is the on. and off button. This right here is to adjust the suction in the brush bar. So yeah, so let's get started, shall we? I want to see how well it does with long hair. I've been collecting Rebecca's hair and my sister's hair, basically, and so I can do this video. And since this is zero maintenance, I want to see if it really will untangle, which I do know it will. Here's the thing that will untangle it. See, it rips it, or rip it. So I'm gonna spread this out. So let's get started, shall we? The camera on this tablets really sucks, so yeah. I'm gonna make sure it's on the middle. Hear the difference? This right here will slow down the brush bar. See the difference? Let's see how much got stuck on the brush bar. That's all. So it did pretty good. I forgot this bit right here. I didn't give it enough time to unravel itself, so yeah. Sorry, I have OCD with the brush bar. It has to be perfectly cleaned. So this is how much it got caught. So let's try it again, and I'll show you what's different. It's in that. We're gonna dump it on the floor. See how much? Wow. It did pick up. I did vacuum today and it picked up even more. See? I just vacuumed and it picked up even more. I used the same vacuum though. That's a little weird, but okay. See how much the difference? So let's try it again. This time around. And this time I'll make sure it's a little longer for it to go. See if that makes a difference. So let's see. That's not bad. See how much it did? See? So it is actually ripping because right here, there's some right here. Well, you probably can't see it, but there's a little bit stuck on it, so yeah. Next step is this right here. I'm gonna see how well it sucks all that up. Is lint. A little bit of hair. So let's get started. See, it did pretty good. See? I did have to pause it because it did get some on it. Stuck around it, so it's fine. Let's check the bottom. Did alright. To let you guys know, I'm not going to use the caddy in this video part, but I may, but I'm not sure yet, so you may see it in it. I'm using this thing right here. To let you know, you can actually adjust the suction and the power of it. I'll show you. Notice the difference, the tone of it, it controls it. So I'm going to have it on bare floor. Now I'm going to use this tool, so let's get started. To let you know, you can adjust the suction this way too. And this way. Did pretty good. To let you know, I'm just using one of these. So let's get started. You did pretty good. Some of it got stuck on here though. This is the dirt. This the dirt, so yeah. I'm gonna use this to pick it up. So let you know, I'm saving this part. Alright, for the other thing. Now I'm using this. Next up, I'm using the crevice, not the crevice tool, but the dusting angel brush. Sorry about that. You did an alright of a job. Next up, I'm using a flexi crevice tool. Next up, I'm using this crevice tool. Let me redo that. Sorry about that, guys. We'll let you know I'm going to use the caddy for right now. There's no dirt under here this time around, so okay. I forgot the paper under there. With this shark, I'll show you. I did forget to mention. You can actually use this hose tool and like use that like that. So yeah. I'm not gonna use it like that with the handle this time around, so yeah. We're gonna use this carpet right here as a bare floor. I have it on the flat part, so yeah. I'm not gonna use this part for the bare floors. I'm gonna use that thing. Sorry about the blurriness. Let's get started. Let me show you the pad. It did get some. It did pretty good. Hope you really liked this video. Please subscribe and like, and I'll see you next time. Bye. Ciao, ciao.